Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday. It is December the 17th. Breaking two boxer of Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. Randomed up our four remaining box and numbers. We got 4 and 5. We did pick a name, get 4 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. We then alphabetized the customers. Gave them a few minutes to trade. Nothing going down though. So here we go. Again, thank you for filling in, everybody. Let's just hope we can reward you for it here. Pop, pop of the seal. Well, bam. Gonna be a mediocre hit there, guys. Bam, the Vaughn Wild Thing at Charlie Sheen. I think that was Kyle who had him. Kyle's stocking up on Wild Things, I guess. He hit a framed one out of the bomb boxes. Yeah, he took the framed one. Bam. Vaughn Wild Thing at Charlie Sheen. There's your Sig Bud. That light's glaring a little weird. JSA. Sticker and card on her. Not a bad hit, guys. Like I said, might not be the highest of value, but a likable jersey that guys usually can move fairly easily. Trade it off or even give them as a gift. Alright, I'm sure that was Kyle. Yes, it was. Alright, guys. Had a bad one in our first one. Let's just hope we keep that going. Again, even if it's not the highest of value jersey, hopefully it's a likable player and just a solid hit in general. Alrighty. Pop of your seal. Bam! Wow, guys, I mentioned him a whole shitload of times there. Very nice hit for somebody, man. Somebody is a random. I still can't believe he didn't get picked, guys. Gonna be Mariano. Or did somebody pick him? I don't remember. Telling you guys, this product has treated us really well, man. We've had very solid cases. Yes, we did have 2 duds along the way, but we've also had a ton of really nice cases out of these, guys. And I still got a case left that, for after the NFL photos. Mariano Rivera Beckett hologram honor ya all. You guys, telling you, I've been pulling really well out of this damn product, man. You know, and like I said, I know we had those 2 stinker cases, but 2 out of how many is not that bad, fellers. Especially when we're pulling hits like Mariano and Trout. Oh, guys, that was a nice break for you there. Pardon me. Pardon me, guys. Did somebody pick him, or is he in the random? Looks like random. Tell you, normally he was one of the first guys coming off the board, and so with this multi-sport, nobody's been picking him. And again, he's another guy I pull, fairly deep, recent. Wow, Dog, man. Nice hit for you, Dog. Whoops, sorry, guys. But it looks like Dog was the lucky one in the random there, guys. I'm very sorry, everybody else. That is going to ramp up that one. Wow, Dog, you had a lot of good names. Garnett, Ewing, again, Mariano, Gunner, LaMelo. Jesus, Dog, you were stacked. But that is going to ramp up that one, fellas. Call out your keeps. We got one more break in this case on a product that's continued to treat us really well, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. We usually go at least 6 nights a week, if not 7. Stop on by and join us at Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Join the Facebook group.